Hey YouTube, it's W and Dawn. We have another Dawn's Delicious dessert to share with you. It's one of our son's favorites. Thanks again for tuning in to Needy Cat Media. Dawn, what do we have today?
We're gonna make S'more Brownies.
S'more Brownies. All right.
So I'm going to spray my pan. And then you just follow the directions on the back of whatever brownies that you have. So this one is 3 tablespoons of water. I'll just use bottled water for now. And then a half cup of vegetable oil. And 2 eggs. Okay. And then all you want to do is mix in the brownie mix. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we just want to preheat the oven for 350, and since we have a 13x9 pan, we're gonna bake them for 22 to 25 minutes, but my oven always needs the higher time, so we're gonna put these in for 25 minutes. Okay, so after you put the brownie mix in the pan, I break the Hershey chocolate bars in little pieces and put them on top of the brownie batter. And my son likes them very chocolatey, so I have to make sure that he has chocolate in every bite, or at least in every brownie.
We'll make it extra yummy.
So this is 3 Hershey bars. Well, not quite. So about 2.5 Hershey bars. So now we put it in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes.
All right, let's do it. And we'll be back later.
Okay, so now I'm just going to sprinkle graham cracker crumbs and little marshmallows on top. I'm not measuring, I just sprinkle a little bit.
What type of graham cracker? What type of graham cracker are we using?
You could crush them yourself, or you can do the pre-made. I'm just doing the pre-made today.
Now with the marshmallows.
And I'm not measuring again, I'm just sprinkling them to coat the top. Okay, good enough. Now I'm gonna put the oven back on, set it to broil, and broil for just a minute, and then we'll be back. So we just set the broiler to high and put them on for 40 seconds. And the marshmallows should just be a little bit brown. And that's all.
Now we get to dig in?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video like we did some of the other ones. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time.